Remember, planets and gods are one and the same, and Zeus is Jupiter. The Maya and Babylonians had myths about Venus being a fiery or blazing star just like a comet. The ancient Egyptians had a myth about the goddess Isis, who was associated with Venus. She was transformed into a fiery star that descended to the Earth. At some point, the Earth, Venus, Mars, and Saturn drifted too close to each other. This led to massive bolts of lightning between the planets. This lightning blasted craters in the moon and tore through the Earth to create the Grand Canyon. Ancient cultures recorded evidence of this lightning and other plasma discharges. The Lascaux Cave in France has cave art that's 17,000 years old. Notice how the arms always appear outstretched and there are dots on either side of the figure. These are the same all over the world. So what is this? The answer comes from Anthony Perrott, a plasma physicist. Perrott shows us an animation of a plasma discharge. The central column is the axis. Around the axis is a torus or donut-shaped ring of charged particles. The top is called a champagne glass. The bottom is called a squashed bell. To an observer, the shape is transparent, but there are places where the plasma is most dense. The reason they recorded it is because they would have seen this as a giant glowing object in the sky, like a god. These plasma discharges would have been loud and bright and violent and could have easily been construed as gods battling in the heavens. Eventually, the lightning stopped and the war ended. Saturn, Mars, and Venus moved into their current orbits, giving us the sky that we know today. This also can be easily tied to the catastrophe that once happened and buried the old civilizations under tons of mud. The catastrophe that unfreeze all the glaciers in a week and shaped the world that we now live in. Now, it's an amazing story, but such story is hard to prove and should be always taken with a grain of salt. But we can't help but wonder, what if it is true?